So we often hear people say, practice your faith, but how do we practice faith? Well, practicing our faith means actively and consistently applying one's spiritual beliefs to daily life through our actions, disciplines, and a conscious relationship with God. It moves beyond mere intellectual assent to living out one's faith in concrete ways, such as through prayer, study, community, and ethical behavior, like showing love and kindness to other people. Ultimately, it involves nurturing a spiritual relationship that shapes one's conduct and perspective. Key aspects in practicing faith are action and conduct. Spiritual disciplines like prayer study or reading scriptures, meditation or introspection, or even fasting. The relationship with the divine is practicing faith is like building a relationship. It requires time, attention, and a consistent awareness of God's presence in your everyday experiences. God doesn't leave when you leave church. Inner transformation, it includes confronting one's own heart and motivations. So we need to think and transform from the inside. Community and fellowship. Many traditions emphasize the importance of gathering with other people for worship, support, and shared practice. And then living out our beliefs. This means living in a way that reflects the principles of our faith, whether through acts of kindness, generosity, or being a good example to other people.